Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to adjust brightness, contrast, saturation, dust and so on to your photo on the Foodie application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the edit button down below and select a picture that you want to edit. Click on the edit button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Tap on adjust at the bottom of the screen, which is the second option here. If you slide to the right side, you can see that you have a vast variety of functions that you can adjust, such as the brightness of the picture by using this scale. Then click on the check mark icon if you are satisfied with it. Also the contrast, saturation, dust. You have these preset options and you can adjust it by using the scale. Color, grain, highlight, shadow. You can also sharpen it by the help of the scale. Select the warmth, fade, vignette and blur as well. So if you are done with selecting all these functions and filters, click on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen to update your picture and save all the changes. That's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.